This is Dennis here with TEXA USA. We're here today to run a static calibration on this 2024 International truck. Let's get started. So we're going to hang the wheel clamp on the driver's side rear. And the wheel clamps are installed. Roughly place the machine in front of the vehicle, and then we'll get started. I'm going to plug the VCI in. We're going to get this vehicle entered back in here. We have the International. We'll do the scan. Pre-scan's done. We'll go down here. There's our radar. Front camera, FLC 20. All right, so we have no faults. We're going to go straight into the calibration. Forward calibration. So on this vehicle, you have to do a few things to make sure that you've got the camera back in the correct position after you replace the windshield. So vehicle calibration parameters are going to be exactly this. So it's going to ask you to measure from the side of the tires to the center of the camera. Both sides, it's going to ask you to measure from the front bumper to the camera. These parameters have already been put in here and they are correct. We're going to go ahead and move forward into the calibration. We're going to be using the CCS2, and we're going to prepare this vehicle to be in position number 1, which is near the front bumper. So at this point, we're square, we're centered, as you can see on the front of the vehicle. We're ready to lock these feet down. All right, the frame won't move. All right, so now I'm going to raise this up to the 900 to the bottom of the target that it needs to be. Loosen this clamp, release the lock. And we're going to go one more right there, line up with our mark. Okay, and we'll measure this and verify that we're in the near position, starting the calibration. It's asking us to move it to position 2. Move this tower. Position 2. Confirm. Turn off the instrument cluster. Press confirm. Turn on the instrument cluster. Press confirm. Calibration done successfully. So now that we're completed with that, we exit from here. We have no faults. Exit from here. And we're going to come over here . One more exit. And we're going to do our post scan. All right, we've completed our post scan. Once again, we leave all the codes and things we didn't work on. Front camera's complete. No codes. At this point, we'll save our report. We can print if necessary. Make sure we update the information in here. This is the FLC 20 calibration for Bendix, used on International, Peterbilt, Kenworth, Mack, and Volvo. Thank you very much for coming to TEXA USA, and have a good day.